Hello guys, in this video we will see VAC was unable to verify your game session error and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of restart. Steam and content. This is often the simplest and most effective initial fix. Completely close Counter-Strike, then exit Steam by clicking Steam in the top left corner and selecting Exit. Wait a few moments, then relaunch Steam and starts again. This action can resolve temporary glitches or HUD processes that might be preventing VAC from properly validating your game session. Ensure no lingering or Steam processes are running in the background via Task Manager before restarting for a clean slate. Step: verify integrity of game files. Content corrupted or missing game files are a frequent cause of VAC errors. To verify your game files, open Steam, navigate to your library. Right-click on Counter-Strike, select Properties, then click on the Install Files tab. From there, select the Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then scan all files and replace any that are found to be corrupt or missing. This process ensures your game installation is complete and consistent with the official version, which is crucial for VAC authentication.
Step: check for conflicting software. Content. Certain third-party applications can interfere with VAC's operation, leading to verification errors. Review your running processes for programs known to conflict with Steam or VAC, such as system cleaners, certain overlay software, or anything that modifies game files or network connections. Temporarily disable any suspicious applications and attempt to launch again. If the error is resolved, you've identified a conflict and you may need to keep the software disabled while playing or look for an alternative.
Step: repair Steam client service. Content. The Steam client service is essential for VAC to function correctly. A damaged or improperly installed service can lead to verification failures. To repair it, open the Run dialog by pressing Winward, then type and press Enter to open command prompt. In the command prompt, type Program Files, System bin Steam Service. Each repair, adjust the path if your Steam installation is different, and press Enter. Acknowledge any user account control prompts. This command will repair the Steam service, which often resolves underlying issues affecting game session verification. Restart your computer after the repair is complete before relaunching.
Steps: temporarily disable antivirus firewall or add exceptions. Content. Overzealous antivirus software or firewalls can sometimes mistakenly block VAC from accessing necessary game files or communicating with Steam servers, triggering the verification error. Temporarily disable your antivirus program and firewall, Windows Defender firewall or third party, and try launching. If the game starts without the error, you've found the culprit. In this case, re-enable your security software and add exceptions for SteamX and the entire Steam installation folder to prevent future conflicts while maintaining protection.